You should know this before buying laptop. Buying a laptop is a big decision, and there are several things you should consider before making a purchase. Here are the key factors. 1. Purpose of the laptop. Casual use, browsing, streaming, office work. Kids budget or mid-range laptops. Gaming. Kids high refresh rate display, dedicated GPU, high RAM and storage. Video editing and content creation. Kids high performance CPU, GPU, color accurate screen. Programming and development. Gives fast processor, at least 16 GB RAM. SSD storage. Business and professional use. Gives portability, long battery life, security features too. Important specifications: A processor, CPU Intel Core i3 basic, i5 mid-range, i7 and i9 high-end, AMD Ryzen 3 basic, Ryzen 5 mid-range, Ryzen 7 and 9 high-end. Apple M1, M2, or M3 for MacBooks. DRAM memory for gigabytes. Gives bare minimum, not recommended. 8 GB. Kids good for general use. 16 GB. Kids ideal for multitasking and heavy applications. 32 GB plus. Kids needed for professionals and gamers. C storage. HDD hard disk drive. Gives cheap but slow. SSD solid state drive. Gives faster performance, better reliability. Recommended at least 256 GB SSD, 512 GB or 1 TB for better performance. D graphics. GPU, integrated graphics, Intel Iris C, AMD Radeon, Apple M series. Kids good for general tasks. Dedicated GPU, NVIDIA RTX, AMD Radeon RX. Kids essential for gaming, video editing, and 3D work. E-display resolution 1080p Full HD is the minimum recommended. For professionals. Refresh rate 60 Hz standard, 120 Hz plus for gaming. Screen type IPS, better colors, OLED vibrant and deep black. AF battery life. Ultra thin laptops gives 8 hours. Gaming laptops gives 4 to 6 hours due to power hungry components. 3. Build quality and portability. Weight and size, thin and light for travel, bulkier for performance. Material. Metal bodies are more durable than plastic. Keyboard and trackpad, comfortable for typing. Backlit keys for low light use. For ports and connectivity. USB and USB-C. Gives essential for accessories. Thunderbolt for gives faster data transfer. HDMI DisplayPort. Gives for external monitors. SD card slot. Gives useful for photographers and creators. 5. Operating system. Windows, versatile, supports most applications. Mac OS, best for creative professionals. Seamless Apple ecosystem. Linux, for developers and privacy-focused users. 6. Budget and brand. Budget laptops under $500. Gives basic specs, good for students and office work. Mid-range $500, $1,200. Gives balanced performance for professionals and casual gamers. High-end $1,200 plus. Gives premium build, best performance, high refresh rate display. 7. Future upgradability. Check if RAM and storage can be upgraded. Gives some laptops, especially Ultrabooks and MacBooks, don't allow upgrades. Would you like specific recommendations based on your needs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. Your support means the world.